Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're going to be doing a hopefully pretty quick unboxing of an Adams Polishes mystery bucket. So guys, these run you about 60 bucks and you're supposed to get double that, about like $120 in value in them. I've gotten many of these before. Sometimes you do really good, sometimes you do okay. So I'll give you the story with mine. When I did order mine, I was actually a little bit short. I emailed them, and actually I ordered a bunch of different products actually on top of that, and some of the stuff actually leaked. And I messaged customer service, and they have one of the best customer service out there. Within like a day, they just sent me a new order of things, more stuff added on, and items that were damaged. They sent me the new items for it, so it was pretty awesome. They have great customer service, guys. So let's get right into it. So I'll show you guys the stuff first that came with the box that I have right now. All right, so the first thing I had gotten was a microfiber wheel wash mitt. I don't have one of these actually, so I was pretty stoked to get one of those to try out. And those come in I think 10 bucks. Yeah. Then we have an edgeless utility. I have a lot of these, but these are great towels. Like I said, they're utility towel. I keep a couple in the truck, keep them all over the place. And that comes in at 6 bucks, guys. Okay, next up I got the wheel tire cleaner. This I have not tried yet, and I'm really excited to try that. And that comes in at $12.99. Then I got a bottle of the Tire Shine, which is coming in at $14.99, so 15 bucks for that one. I got a glass cleaner, $12.99 for that. An APC, and that came in at 12 bucks. And I also got all the nozzles and stuff, guys, in the bucket. I'm not going to just take them out. And we also got a hex applicator pad. I think that's like 6 bucks right there. And then we got a ceramic waterless wash. One of those guys there. And I think that was it. And then besides, obviously, going to be the bucket. All the products you see here came to $101.94. With the bucket it was like $114.93. Oh, there was also an interior detailer. I don't know where I put that. That actually might be already out in the garage. So there was also an interior detailer that I had gotten with that, and that came in at $12.99. So those are the products that I had gotten with the box when I got it. So this is what came in my bucket. I also had gotten, I'll share with you guys here, some of it's already upstairs, but I got one of the limited, it's the Cinco de Mayo limited, as well as I bought their, I think it was called the Home Care Trifecta, I think it was. Anyway, there was hand sanitizer. My hand sanitizer unfortunately leaked all over, so they sent me a new one of that. And then I believe it was like a surface like cleanser with the microban in it, and then a hand soap in their detail spray set, and they are absolutely amazing. I have to tell you, the microban, it's like an interior detailer, and it like keeps everything. I've actually used it in the house on my dresser, and I can't believe the shine it put on it and keeping the dust off of it. It's absolutely amazing. So guys, there are many different uses for these things, not just for your cars. I use the glass cleaner in my house and everywhere else. The all-purpose cleaner, I use that stuff all over the place. So guys, there's many different uses for them. So guys, like I said, all that stuff came to $114.93. So I got a hold of customer service, and they sent me a couple more items. So the first thing they sent me was the wash and coat ceramic, which I was actually really excited to try that because I have the Adams ceramic spray outside that I got in another one. And I think that came in at 12 bucks. Yep, $12 for that. And then the next item I got, another item I really wanted to try, was the Adams strip wash. That came in at 15 bucks, so I got one of those. And then the last item, which is really cool because the bag's really is not even marked on it, and I have like 5 of these, is the Adams Jumbo Plush drying towel. But look at this thing is awesome. It's like black, it's dark, and there's like no information on it. So this is an awesome, I was really excited when they sent me the list of what I actually knew what I was going to get, and I saw this on there, and I was really shocked because I've never seen one like that before. So that is awesome. So guys, my total for my box here was $176.91. I'm definitely happy with it. I also got a couple of mints A couple of mints in the bottom there, and as always, they do send you a sticker. It's my first time actually getting mints out of all the orders I've gotten. So definitely an awesome bucket, guys. For $60, I mean, you really can't beat that. I almost got triple the value, and pretty much everything here I'm going to be able to 100% use. Everything here is going to be used. That this towel, I cannot wait to try this out and use it. I'm really excited about it. That wheel wash mitt is another thing I really wanted to try. The wheel and tire cleaner is awesome. So all this stuff is actually going to probably be used this weekend to get a nice clean out, except the glass cleaner, because I already have one of those open, but now I have another one. But can't wait to try it all. The Adams, the ceramic waterless, I really wanted to try as well. And same with the wash. So I got, pretty much a nice whole get up here. And I actually wanted to put another ceramic coating on my truck. And the strip wash is going to be perfect for getting my truck right down to the bare minimum wax there. Get all that wax off, get right down to the bare minimum. Give it a nice clay. Put the Adams ceramic on it. We got the, and then we got the ceramic soap in it to recharge it after. We got a tire shine to clean it after we clean the tires. So it's a nice little kit that I got put together here. Nice addition to my arsenal, guys. Highly recommend you checking them out and going and getting one of these. They on Amazon, they do have, sometimes they'll have the buckets, or they have the mystery boxes and stuff like that. I love going with the buckets because I use the buckets all the time. And I actually got the clear bucket, so that's the one I didn't have. I don't know if I can show you here real quick. This is the clear bucket. I didn't have one of the clear buckets from them, so I was pretty excited to get that. I actually, use the buckets for either washing or for, keeping my chemicals and stuff in. I know I do I keep one bucket specifically for tires, and then, the 2-bucket method for washing. And then it's nice to just have an extra bucket if you need it for throwing some soap in, if you wanted to, do something different, or anything like that. So I definitely like getting the buckets. I like to get the limited buckets too, because they're really neat. So guys, let me know what you thought down in the comments. If you guys got one, did you guys get the same stuff, or did you get stuff a little bit different? When I was actually looking on Facebook on a group I'm on, I actually saw that a lot of people actually kind of got like the same kind of buckets. A lot of people got like, the same products exactly, which is fine, because as long as you're getting that good value, that's pretty acceptable. And even with, if you're getting their 15% off that you can get usually through them that they offer, and even with 15% off, you're still getting over 120 bucks worth of stuff for $60. So you can't beat it. So guys, let me know what you thought, and as always, like and subscribe.